Hello Daad community. Yesterday we discussed how can I integrate blockchain into my existing e-commerce business. And today I am discussing about blockchain revolution in terms of security, transparency and cost efficiency to gain customer satisfaction. Blockchain is a technology that allows data to be stored and shared in a decentralized, secure and transparent way. It can have various benefits of e-commerce, such as improving security and privacy. Blockchain can protect e-commerce transactions from fraud, hacking, and identity theft by using the encryption and digital signatures. It can also give customers more control over their personal data and preferences and reduce the risk of data breaches and leaks. Reducing cost and fees. Blockchain can eliminate the need for intermediaries such as banks, payment processors, and platforms that charge fees and commissions for facilitating the e-commerce transactions. It can also lower the operational cost of e-commerce businesses by automating the processes such as inventory management, order fulfillment, and customer service, enhancing the transparency and trust. Blockchain can provide a verifiable and immutable record of e-commerce transactions from the origin of the product to the delivery of the orders. It can also enable customers to review and rate the products and services they purchase and reward them for their loyalty and feedback. This can increase the transparency and trust between the e-commerce business and the customers and improve the customer satisfaction and retention. There are some of the ways that blockchain can revolutionize the e-commerce. It can help the e-commerce businesses and customers to benefit from more secure, efficient and transparent online shopping experiences. Thanks for watching us. Please do not forget to subscribe and like our channel.